All right, we're gonna do this again. 4035 124th Southeast Bellevue. Date is November 13th, 2020. I'm making this recording from the toilet flange upstairs. This is as far out as I'm able to push the camera. I was actually able to push it 4 or 5 feet more, but it looks exactly like that. So we're sitting right as the line exits the house, basically right now. It's after the first turn. It looks like older, now that I'm looking at it, it looks like concrete pipe that's in the ground there. Could be old asbestos concrete. Although that fitting is suspicious. Anyway, coming back through that first turn. So this is as far as the cabling guy, the guy that cleared this line the last time was able to get right about 45 feet there. That's that first turn as it exits the house. And you can see we've got a little bit of cracking on the pipe right there too, as it's exiting the line. So I've located that down in the backyard where that is. So coming back there, we're coming into cast iron pipe right here. This is the old cast iron line that runs under the house. And generally cast iron looks pretty good, but this cast iron seems like it's been abused a bit over the years. You start seeing this channel along the bottom. That's from like grease and chemicals and like Drano kind of stuff going down there. So caustic it eats away at the pipe itself. So you get this channeling along the bottom, and as it does that, I mean it's sitting right on dirt, so it's pulling dirt into the line as the flushes and water's going by, and eventually it'll cause clogs in some areas like that first turn that we saw. So it's pretty bad through here in sections. I look at a lot of these, and this is one of the lousier shaped ones I've seen. It's just super rough in there too, so toilet paper gets caught in these little pockets of toilet paper, and it hits the turns, and then the next chunk of toilet paper hits it, and the next chunk, and then eventually you just got a big clog. Right here it's particularly bad. Then back into plastic there. And then we're going to start coming back up the vertical. So that's the end of the run down there in the basement. This is we're sitting up and down vertically right now. So